Hello friends, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is keywords in Java. So Java keywords are also known as the received words. Keywords are particular words that act as a key to a code. These are preferred word by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object name or class name. List of Java keyword is following. So first one is abstract. Java abstract keyword is used to declare an abstract class. That abstract class can provide the implementation of the interface. It can have abstract non-abstract method. Second one is a Boolean method. Java Boolean keyword is used to declare a variable as a Boolean type. It can hold a true and false value only. Third one is a break. Break keyword is used to the break to a loop or switch statement. It break the current flow of the programming specified conditions. Fourth one is a byte. Uh, Java byte keyword is used to declare variable that can hold 8 bit data values. Fifth one is a case. Java case keyword is used to Java case keyword is used to with the switch statement to mark a block of text. Sixth one is a catch. So catch keyword is used to catch the expression generated by the try statement must be used after the try block only. Seventh one is a char data char keyword is used to declare it is used to declare variable that can hold a unsigned 16-bit Unicode character. So eighth one is a class keyword. The class keyword is used to declare a class. Ninth one is a continue. The Java continue keyword is used to continue the loop. It continue the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code at the specific condition. Uh, 10th one is a default. The default keyword is used to specify default block code in the switch statement. 11th one is a do. Do keyword is used to control statement or declare a loop. It can irritate a part of programming several times. 12th one is a double. Double keyword is used to declare a variable that can hold a 64-bit floating point number. Else, next one is a else keyword. It is used to indicate the alternative branches in at if statement. uh, like this some other keywords in Java like enum, extend, finally, float, for, if, implements, import, instance of, inter, uh, interface, long, native, new, null, package, private, protected, public, return, and many more. Thank you so much.